Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video this week. We are reviewing a strobe light. Let's not waste any more time. We'll jump right into it.
All right, let's go drag racing.
For work, I do maintenance on apartment complexes, houses, stuff like that. So I've been looking for one of these for a while just to kind of be a little more official or whatever. I had a company reach out and it ended up just working out. And today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install one of these lights. Here it is. It's like a 26x5 strobe light. It's magnetic, sticks to your roof, and it also plugs in with a 12-volt power source. This is gonna be perfect for what I need, be able to take it on and off the roof if I need to. This thing is waterproof. It's got 54 LED chips in it. Gonna be a super easy install, like I said, plug and play. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Let's go ahead and pull this out of the plastic and set it up on the top of the truck and see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is up close. Again, magnetic base with these rubber pads on the bottom. Shouldn't be going anywhere. I think this is going to be perfect for what I'm going to be using it for. Again, and for 75 bucks, it's kind of hard to beat. Let's go ahead and throw it up on the roof of the work truck and then we'll run through all the modes. All right, that looked pretty good to me. It's going to be perfect. Shoot right under our ladder rack. It's got lights on all four corners. Let's go ahead and plug this thing inside the truck and get it turned on. This thing has a decent cord on it as far as length goes. It's about 10 foot. Here's our actual plug-in right here, on off, and then you just have this rocker switch where you can cycle through all the modes. So how I think I'm gonna run it is right under the edge here, and I'm gonna tuck it under this weather strip down to the dash, and then come over the top and then plug it in right there. I do have some wire clips I can stick on the dash to hold the wires down a little bit, or they'll just take a minute before they lay down. Again, we ran it up our weather stripping here, right here, and popped out the truck onto the roof. But yeah, so let's go ahead and turn this on and I'll show you guys what we got going on outside. Got all kinds of different options here. Depending on what you're looking for. And then you have just a solid mode as well. And there you guys go. It's easy as that. And if I want to take it off, it's just magnetic. I'll pop it off and can throw it in the truck. But as you guys can see, I mean, this thing is insanely bright. It's gonna be plenty for what I need it for. You can see it's super bright from all four sides. The back of my truck is full right now with some trash, but even still. Again, I didn't want something permanent, which is why I decided to go with this style, and then I don't have to wire it into the truck if I wanted to throw it on another vehicle or whatever the case may be. It's not hard at all to do that. It's got a nice indicator light on the actual switch right here inside, so you know what you're on and off. Whatever mode you leave it on, it will turn back on to that same mode. So you don't have to go scrolling through them. If you find one you like that you're going to use all the time, you can just leave it on that mode and just turn the switch on and off. Another thing, sometimes, yeah, I'm out working in the dark, and instead of having flashlights or trying to use my headlights or something, this thing will help light up what's around me a little bit. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Check out the link in the description if you guys want to buy one of your own. Take it easy. I'll catch you on the next one.